Hello, everyone. Welcome to the GotATek channel, where if you don't have a tech, now you do. Get training, easy tips, and tricks on how to use tech devices and programs more efficiently. I have a lot of my clients that ask me, "Well, Amanda, I can't find this particular file. I know I created this file and I saved it, and I don't know where it is. Can you help me out?" Um, so I just want to go over the way I would handle a situation like that. Um, First, we go over to our File Explorer. So if you go down to your System tray, right-click on the window pane, go to File Explorer. Um, your File Explorer window will open up. And let's say you can't remember the name of the file, but you remember some of the contents of the file. So let's say that you remember two words in the file. Um, let's say, "I love you." So I'm just going to search through my computer to see if I can find anything with the words with the content "I love you" in it. So in order to do that, we need to navigate to the PC. So you go to this PC. We're going to go to the C drive because that's the main hard drive for the computer where everything is stored. And let's go to users, and then you're going to go to your profile folder. Um, your profile folder is the one is the one that has the same name as your username, and your username is what you log into your computer with. So we're going to search. If you go here, you see it says search your user folder, and we're going to go ahead and enter a certain string to look for content. So I want to look for content. So you type the word content, colon, and we're going to do quotation mark, love, enter. And as you can see, everything in on my C drive or on my computer that has the word love in it came up here. So you can go through, you can just click on one of them, right? And you can look through the preview on this side and see which one has what you're looking for. And that's one way to find the file that you're looking for. Um, if you remember a phrase from it, let's say you're looking for your taxes. Let's say tax 2019. I have no I have no record of that. Or let's see, tax 2022, 2021 comes up. No, nothing with that content. Okay, let's try the word. I'm trying to think of a phrase of a sentence. Um, okay, here we go. So I typed in the phrase technical service, and a bunch of files came up of things that I have with the term technical service. Now, if you can't remember the exact order of the wording, I would recommend just putting one word, one keyword. These are keywords that we're using. If you can't remember the entire string, just use one keyword. Just use technical and search for technical. Okay. Another way I like to search, which may be a little bit more involved, but it would involve you knowing the file type. So say if you come to me and say, "Hey, Amanda, um, I can't find an Excel file that I made. I made a whole spreadsheet and I can't find it, and I did it a week ago." So what we can do is we can search by extension, file extension. So the file extension for Excel files .xls files. And when I search like this, I like to use the wildcard, especially since you don't know the name of the file. The wildcard would bring up every document that's an Excel file on your computer. And then you're going to put XLS and then press enter. And as you can see, it brought up all the of the Excel files that I have saved on my computer. And if you just preview each one, you just preview each one, and you'll see which one it is that you're looking for. You can do it the same. You can do it with any file extension. So let's say you need to find an Adobe file. Those are called PDF files. Same thing. I got all the PDF files on my computer. You can go through all of them without opening it. It'll show you over here in the preview it'll give you a capture of what's in it. Word files. Word files are DOC. Newer Word file a DOCX. Okay. If you just type DOC, it should also bring up DOCX files as well. Let's see. If you need to search for video files, you do MP4. You can literally do any type of file. If you need a picture file, a lot of picture files are JPEGs, or they might be PNG files. So you can easily go online on the internet and search the file extensions for different types of files. It'll give you a whole list. I can put that resource in the description, or if you request it, I can certainly send it to you or share it with you. But that's an easy way to find some files and search for files. Now, the most simplest way that's now incorporated in Windows is to just type here to search. This way, I find it to be a little tricky to narrow down things, especially if you don't remember the name. So that's why I went over not knowing the name first. But if you remember the name of the file, let's say I'm looking for a tax document or whatever the name of the document is. If you remember it, if you start searching that name here in the search bar, that'll also bring up a lot of files that'll also bring up documents that have the word tax in it. And here it's good because it categorizes. So you can also look for an app. You can just look for documents. Let you do a web search. You can go to more. You can look for your email if your email is hooked up to your Windows machine, and so on and so forth. So that gives you a few options as well. But I'm kind of used to using the wildcard and the string to search, and I find that it's more efficient and it's quicker for me. But typing here to search might be quicker for you. So I just wanted to go over a couple of tips on how to search in Windows if you can't find a file. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to this channel so you can always be up to date on the latest advice from GotATek. And don't forget to write in the comments if you would like to see more videos on this topic. All my contact information can be found in the description below, and my calendar is now posted if you would like to make an appointment to work with me one-on-one. Thanks for watching.